Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got a fun project to share with you today. I'm super excited. Welcome in, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this super quick project share. I absolutely cannot wait to show you this. This is my fun folio. Right here on the front cover, I popped up some images, and you're probably thinking, Frances, what in the world? What type of paper is that? If you haven't heard about it already, this is the Today paper pack by me. So I created my own watercolor paper pack, and I had so much fun designing and painting for many, many months. And we edited and scanned and did all our fun stuff. So if you wanted to pick one of these up, I'll leave the link down to my Etsy shop down below. And you can go ahead and check out the paper in more detail over there. Super duper fun. It's got images, cut aparts, and everything I used in here is what you get in the collection pack, as well as these nice big words right here. So I popped these up. This was one of the signature pieces right there, and I had so much fun painting that. Oh my goodness. And of course you can customize this, as we have a words page as well that has all different kinds of fun stuff that you'll see. Oh my goodness. I'll leave the name of the tutorial down below in the description. So right here on this left panel, we've got this super cool area where you can stick your photo. Actually, you can come right up here in the top, and it's a nice beautiful pocket. And of course we have the acetate. Okay, we need to give it a shine and a shimmer. I hope everyone's doing wonderful. I've had so much fun on the Facebook group seeing everyone's arrival pictures of the Today paper pack. Oh my goodness, right here we have a side pocket. Thank you so much for sharing that with me. And we can put some journaling lines on the back of there. As you saw, I just forgot to do that. Tiny little picture space right here. And then this is a nice big pocket. We have some fun little character right there. Oh my goodness. Sisters on the back, and just this cute spot to keep a picture. And you could put really whatever you want inside here. If you've never taken a class with me before, I do have a free one here on my YouTube channel. And I'll even leave the one down below. You can actually sign up. You can get a free class in addition to the one on the YouTube channel. I'll leave that link down in the description. And this is a nice magnetic opening right here. I layered a couple of these, and again, picture spots, so much fun. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love it. Cute little cactus and silly picture of the kids making silly faces right there, I can see. And again, acetate right here. Beautiful spot for pictures right there. And even inside of here. So we got picture space for days. Super cute folio, keeps folding out on you. A couple more tags and super fun picture spots, always together. Very family-oriented paper pack. Even if it's just kind of like a get-together in the backyard or hanging out, going swimming, anything. Birthday party, happy us. Look at that picture space here on this cute little insert. Got a little circle punch tab at the top. Oh my goodness, you could write about what you did that day, hanging out with the family. A nice stacked pocket right here. And you could stuff really anything that you want inside there. This folds back up and opens again. We have a perfect spot right here for a beautiful acetate pouch and all the little goodies that you want to put in there from your special day. So I've got some more cut aparts from the paper collection. And I used them quite differently from the other book, which if you have not seen that book yet, I'll go ahead and leave it right here so you can check out another way to use the paper. Today is a wonderful day to be together, absolutely. And friends. Got a cute little accordion. A little bit more picture space right here, so fun. And the best. And again, another little place for picture. And a spot for journaling as well. Love those cute little banners. Oh my goodness. I painted and designed for months and months and months. And I really honestly slacked off for a long time because I was intimidated and I didn't know what anyone would think about it. And I was just really nervous. But I'm so glad to finally just be here. And we've got this beautiful signature page right in the back. I had so much fun. This paper is just so much fun. Brings me a lot of joy to hear what you guys think about it as well. Have you used it yet? Leave in the comments below if you've actually created something with this paper. I would be so super excited to let you into the Facebook group and on our app community if you wanted to. Join up there. Place for brothers right there. Happy. Amazing spot for journaling as well. Again, we got this nice big insert. You could even put more pictures in here again. And a beautiful spot for pictures right here. Love the string of pearls and the cactus. For some reason, I just wanted to put that in a brick planner. I was just imagining things in my mind. Again, you have another beautiful spot for a picture there and some more acetate. Now, this was one of the hardest things that I painted right there, was to try to get all those cute little succulents inside a tire planter. Again, very random, but I just imagined it and I really wanted to be able to captivate that. We have a cute little 2x2 picture right there and another tag. Those are actually on the paper itself. It actually almost looks like I journaled on there. Here's a cool fun angle pocket again with that signature piece. Let me know down in the comments, what is your favorite page out of the collection? Oh my goodness, I got some polka dots. I just fussy cut directly out of one of the pages. And then this opens up like this. I used him sideways when I actually painted him to be horizontal, but he can go vertical as well. Super customizable. I fussy cut love out of the paper line and I just stuck it right there. Again, super cute angle pocket, kind of repeats right there. Here memories are made. And you could journal on the back of there as well. And you could stick a nice 4x4 picture on the back of there. And right here we have like this nice little belly band tuck spot, string of pearls again. Oh my goodness, I love it. Right there, yippee. And you could put these little cut aparts anywhere you want. 2 cute little photo spots right there. And this opens up. And we have 2 of a kind right up there. Super fun. And right down here, we got this cute little cactus, little assortment right there. Another signature painting right there. I just had a blast with that. I fussy cut around it and kind of created this little bit of interest there. The girls, spot for journaling, and another picture. A little leaf. And it repeats the boys right there. All family in here. Cute little succulent. And that is from the elements page as well, that you also get on the very back of the paper pack. Right here you have all these little pieces, bits and pieces that you can cut out. Too much fun. I will leave the link down where you can get the paper if you wanted to pick one up, as well as the tutorial name for this particular project, which is the Fun Folio, and you could find that in the Folios section on my website. And thank you everyone so much for joining me and being along with me on the journey of creating my paper, being patient with me while I was, fixing up some mishaps. It's just an absolute pleasure to be your instructor and most of all, your friend. I hope you have a fantastic day and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.